Mali.
Ibang bayan number 78. Traveling violation.
Mali lang isip si anak. Kanina double mo yung travel. Bawi.
Number 17 drives. Number 14, Lee. Number 2 drives. 10 to shoot.
Nice work.
Jersey number 28. First personal foul, first team foul.
Shoot, Kurt. Shoot, Kurt. Go, Kurt.
Number 28.
6 minutes still without score, both teams. Shoot!
Following violation.
Tulog pa yata mga alaga ko. Kung hindi travel, double dribble. Ng third over.
Number 21, scoring the ready. Around by number 28. Number 28.
Ay, nag-breakfast ka ba, anak? Pati yung kabilang team, wala pa rin points. Ay!
Still right on the day.
Ay, na-late na. Wala yun.
Pass to number 28.
Saan?
Number 28 2 points.
Jans! After nito din kami.
Points. Number 21. Score 2 goals.
Aywa.
Trouble.
Travel, kanina ka pa nag-travel, Bauer. Goy siya!
number 21. Oh, there's some on top.
You have a game or
Foul,
you're done?
jersey number 16.
Ah,
Our game got default.
First personal foul, first team foul.
oh, hindi sila nakarating. Kaya pala, maaga kami ngayon nakastart. Kaya pala pawis na pagod na pagod.
Wow.
O sige, si Mami.
At work.
Work. Hello, Daddy.
Hi, Mami.
Ayan ang mga, magagandang parents ng 2010.
Number 28. Pass number 16. Score 4-2 in favor of Team Lasha. Timeout! Lasha. Back to the ball game. Okay, one more tayo. Last shot basketball. Number 20. There's a foul, jersey number 20. Second personal foul, second team foul.
11 yata. 11 yan, Daddy. Yan yung kwento nila.
First right lead. Score 5-2.
Mami, matanda pa si Kit dyan. Daw, oo. Dito ko na lang nakikita.
Foul, jersey number
Grabe.
number 3.
Parang kasi
First personal foul, third team foul.
Opo. Si Rosh, kilala ni Rosh, friend ni Rosh yan. Hindi siya pwede na dito.
First
Kaya
right
ata pwede.
lead.
Ewan ko ba bakit?
16.
Naglalaro ba dito si... Daddy, naglalaro ba dito si Rosh? Si Rosh? Ay, hindi siya dito, Mami, naglalaro.
Second try is good. Score 7-2 in favor of Team Lasha.
Ano? Ang kakal ng bata, grabe.
Number 17.
Defense kit. Nice one. Grabe. Rebound. Saka
Number 20 drives from the basket.
na lang nakita.
Score 9-2 in favor of Team Lasha.
Prabella.
Number 8 to number 20. Oh,
Ay!
probably violation.
Power
Some
work.
fouls up. Hold yourself. Number 28 now.
Eh, meron din naman pala sila, Daddy. May import din. Pantay. Oh, ayan, oh. Patas lang naman.
Pass number 21. Cross pass number
Yung kanila
41.
naman ay
The rule without line number 3, but there's a foul.
kanilang import dalawa.
Jersey number 28.
Ito, oh, yung 41.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Cute. Siya, sige, dilig. Sayang. shoot. Hey! Up. Ay! Sa labas na. Ay! Hurt naman. Luis, buhay ka anak.
Foul, jersey number 15. Second personal foul. One for penalty by Lee. One for penalty.
Sakit. Ay! Gumalakay. Ay! Ay! Sayang.
Here comes number 15. Still by number 28.
Ano? Ay! Sayang.
Number 1.
Bawi. Bawi. Kasi
Sabi
natapa.
shot. Call yourself. Call yourself. Number 27 out. And number 2 runner out. Points, number 17. Score 9-5. 10 seconds remaining time.
Shoot, Kurt!
5 seconds.
Ay! Sayang ang taas. Takad yan.
2.4 seconds remaining time. 2.4.
A-adjust pa siya.
There's the contact. Foul, jersey number 15. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Bilis naman. Shoot.
First line number 20, Lou.
Get one.
Still coming by number 20. Score 10-5 in favor of Team Russia.
Siguro.
Back to the ball game.
Kuha, anak.
Alabama. Good points, number 20. Score 12-5 in favor of Team Russia. Steal by number, steal. Pass to number 17 to Lawrence. Score 12-7. Number 7, Luke. Lugula. Number 17, Lugula by number 8. To number 2, Lugula.
Shoot.
Follow-up by number 8.
Nice, Kurt.
Score 14-7.
Nasa may skill. Ay, sorry. Ay.
To number 2,
Ay!
foul jersey number 21. 58.
Sayang.
Third personal foul. First foul. Call yourself. Tuck in your jersey, please. Tuck in your jersey. Tuck in your jersey. Tuck in.
English kasi, kuya. Tama si Tatang eh, English daw. Maintindihan mga bata, pinagagalitan. Shot! Laki.
Number 22
Wala
points.
na ang malaki.
Score 67.
Sana all matangkad. Ay, naku.
Steal by number 2.
Shot! Ay, naku, anak.
Number 7.
Talaga naman hindi yata nag-breakfast yung alaga ko ah. Kanina pa. Bawi! Palabos
3 points.
Ay, kasali ka pala, Pogi.
Score 97.
Nalate ang Pogi. Ano yan?
Out of bounds.
Second quarter na, baby boy.
Timeout. Please by the day.
Akala ko hindi siya kasali rito. Suwadang bata to. Ang baby boy late. Tumakbo ka muna. Pabalik ng metro. Kasali pala siya. Kasi baka hindi siya sure. Kasi nga yung Jazzville na aga. Ang daming shuttlecock hindi kinukuha. Sa badminton,
Football game.
hello Rizzy! Rizzy! How are you? Akala ko si Rosie hindi ka hinahanap. Oh, you might fall. Careful. Aywa.
Number 14. Out of bounds. Steal. Number 27. Pass to number 20. Steal by number 21. But there's a foul. Jersey number 27. First personal foul for Steve Foul. Call yourself. Number 27 out. Number 21. Out of bounds. Ten seconds to shoot. Steal by number 21. Romance. Score 21-7.
Big. Ay, sayang Mark.
Number 20, the blue.
Ay, sayang.
Number 8, there's a foul. Jersey number 7.
Narinig ko yun, anak.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Walang duda. Na-foul ka. Where are you going? Yeah. Pati po
Second foul, blue. Rebound by. Oh, there's a jumble. White ball line.
Ay, ito na lang ang anak ko.
Pass to number 3, our boss. Oh, there's some strawberry violation. Still one out of one. Pass to number 2, drives, to three. Run by number 17. Pass to number 18. Very good, run by number 20.
Sayang naman yun.
Foul against number 21. First personal foul, 13 foul.
Sabi ni ate, hindi na shoot.
Number 17, Odu.
Hands up lang.
Our bounce. Foul for yourself. 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. There is a foul, jersey number 3. First personal foul, second team foul. Out of bounds. Forty-six seconds remaining time. 46 seconds. Forty to shoot. Fifteen seconds remaining time. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. That's the end of our third, second quarter score. 21-7 in favor of Team Russia.
Score ng third. Ay, wow! Ayun pa yung isang baby boy. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko alam kung late kayo o maaga lang si Jasmine nagsimula. Oh.
Dalawang inbounds. Third quarter.
Ganon. Sayang. Ay, sayang. Ay, sayang.
Out of bounds.
Bawi, JB.
Number 21. 10 seconds to shoot.
Bitin. Ay, push dandan.
Bounds.
Third pa naman.
Ten to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds violation. Number 20 blue, rebound by number 21. Rebound by number 21. Blue, rebound by number 21. Number 7 to number 21. Short jumper, rebound by number 21.
Wala mong makasya sa inyo, bookings.
Number 15, blue. Number 7, score 24-7 in favor of Team Lasha. Number 4, short jumper, Stu, score 24-9. Foul, jersey number 31, first personal foul, first team foul. Ten seconds to shoot. Foul, jersey number 28. Second personal foul, first team foul. One by number 4. Number 4, score 27-9.
Sorry.
points, score 27-11. Pass to number 21. To number 28, Navy.
Shoot! Please. Ay!
Ten to shoot.
Shoot, JJ. Ay.
For your side. Pass to number 28, 2 points. Number 15, no good, rebound by number 21. So number 28, no good, rebound by number 28.
Bawi. Ay, nako. Ay, sayang.
Two points. 29-13. Foul, juice number 16. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Ay, nako.
Our bounce. Very good bounce. 29-15. Foul, juice number 28. Fourth personal foul, second team foul. Apat na yan, coach. First try for you. Basket sub, basket sub.
Get one, Kel. Ay, nako, tulog.
Tumama na ako ng game, number 15. 2 points, number 15. Score 29-17. Number 28, 3 points. Score 32-17. Foul, jersey number 4. First personal foul, 13 foul. 27 seconds. Number 8 for Thomas. Chapter 19. 20 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Talaga naman.
5 seconds.
Hindi
But
na.
there's a foul. Jersey number 28. Third personal foul, line for penalty. 3.9 seconds remaining time. 3.9 seconds.
Andoon na yun.
That's the end of our third quarter.
Hirapan niyo pa yung replay.
Official score 32-19 in favor of Team Last Shot.
5 points lang ang ginawa niyo. From 3 to 4 in 10 minutes.
Okay, for our third game, Team Owens versus Team Brian. 2015 DD. Number 20. The points number 20. Score 34-19. Number 8, the points. Score 34-21. Out of bounds, swing ball. 14 seconds shot clock, 40 seconds to shoot.
Tangkad eh.
Swing ball. Hold yourself.
Ay. Natamaan. Nakantay ko mag-bangs ang mami mo. Ngayon walang bangs. Para nag-headband. Friend pala yung
10 seconds to shoot.
Yung malaki yun.
Foul, jersey number 20-27. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Ako sa nakalala na rin siya.
Number 20 foul, 2 points, 36-21. Number 1 hit, no good. Number 20, 2 points, 46-23. There's a foul, just number 41. First personal foul, first team foul. Still at number 28. On the bounce.
Ay!
3 seconds violation. Final to last shot.
Sobra ng gamit sa Ay! Sayang naman. Talaga naman. Ayun, sige na. Ay, wow! Mga anak ko to.
Number 28. Foul, jersey number 14. First personal foul, second team foul. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. Back to bowling. First traveling violation.
Nakapin na kami.
There's a pushing foul, just number 27. Third personal foul. Foul. Mighty David. Third personal foul.
Kaya, in-away ko yung budget.
And then 36-25.
Mura lang pang masaya.
Fast number 22 points.
100.
38-25.
Cebu pa. Tapos 4 hours lang. Sa Manila. Ay, hindi. From Cebu. Pwede. May Cebu to Osaka. Hi, Reed! Hi! Where's Kuya? Sa Kuya ko. Walang game. Sayang naman. Nasi 6-7 kayo eh. Oo. Diba? Tsaka nakita ko kasi yung mga bags. Kasama sa akin. Diba? Ano?
40 seconds to shoot.
Oo. Nakita ko ang mura. As in. Kaya sabi ko, parang gusto ko doon. Tapos,
But there's a foul. Jersey number 17. Foul.
ako na doon manggaling. Ewan. Si Baste. Ay, si Baste.
Over 1 points. Score 4. 25.
Oo nga, ano. Talaga naman yung mga alaga ko. Sige, buti nakaabot ka ng 3 minutes. Go. Sulitin mo na yung 3 minutes, anak. Sige, sige.
Oh, lane violation.
Asan ba ang linya? Bakit line A ang linya andun pa sa labas? So, line na. Ala. Ay, talaga naman. Ay, bitin. Shoot!
Number 20 on for Reese. Oh,
Foul.
there's a foul. Jersey number 3. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Number 41. 14-27. This last 2 minutes.
Hindi siya ano ba yun? Ano ba?
Out of bounds. 40 seconds shot down, 40 to shoot.
Shoot! Ay!
10 to shoot.
Kasi ayaw pa niya i-shoot. Ang lapit na niya.
To 14.
Oh, shoot mo na.
10 to shoot. Back to 14.
Ay!
10 to shoot.
Ay, muntik pa. Ay,
Oh.
ano na?
A 12 violation.
Tagal. Yung salamin kasi.
1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time.
Ay!
Still out with 1.
Shoot! Ay, wow. Doros. Ay! Nahawakan. Sabi niya, wait,
Unsportsmanlike
wait.
foul, Jersey number 21.
Sabi niya, wait lang. Nahihila. Nagulat din siguro siya.
Number 21, 2 minutes.
Na. Sa Parosh.
Forty-six seconds remaining time. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot.
Shoot!
2 points.
Magaling naman.
42-27.
Kanina tulog pa sila. Yung first five. Gokil. Ay, wow.
Number 28, about 2 points, 2 points, sorry. Yeah, 42-29.
Kulang pala. Ang ganda pa yung pagkaka-announce. Sayang. Shot.
Number 16, good by number 15. 10 seconds remaining time. 5 seconds remaining time. 2 points, 3 seconds remaining time.
Ay, wow.
That's the end of our ball game. Final score 44-29 in favor of team. Last shot